think it's important for other manufacturers, not just ourselves, to do more than just make their product. I do think we need to give back. And I think the more you do it, it's kind of like a virus in a good way. Well, if DeWys Manufacturing is doing it, and Micron Manufacturing is doing it, and Wolverine Coil and Spring is doing it, maybe I should be doing it too. So you kind of start that flywheel saying, you know, hey, it's the right thing to do.
DeWys is a company that, yeah, we do sheet metal manufacturing, but we care. We want to see our team members succeed. We want to see the community of West Michigan to succeed.
We are embedded in the community beyond just a conversation piece. We are physically involved in these schools. We're involved in volunteer acts. We are very purposeful in what we are trying to do and trying to accomplish.
It gives team members and employees an opportunity to give back outside of their day-to-day working environment. You can build stronger bonds between team members through community service, and I think it helps to kind of drive that culture that we're trying to grow here at DeWys.
This community award is one of those things that puts us out there that says, hey, DeWys is a great place, and come see what we do. And so I'm very honored, our company is very honored to win this award from MMA.